Okay, you guys, look how goozy that cheese is coming out. Wow, and I just kind of cut it in between. Yes, okay. I promise I'm out of here. I just want to show you guys how the cheese is goozing out of there. All right. This time I'm gone. Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Watch how I make this breakfast sandwich. Okay, and I'll probably just add on to my last, I just attached this video, you know, when I post my breakfast idea. Okay, so what I do, I spread some mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise I use. Okay, this calls for 1 egg. This is the kind of cheese I'm using, and this is the smoked ham that I'm gonna use. Very simple, easy, so quick and easy. You can take this, you know, like say you're in a hurry and have to go to work. You can make this real quick and wrap it up in foil or in a sandwich bag. This is a good breakfast idea, breakfast sandwich. Okay, just keep watching. You'll see how I finish everything. Okay, so now I'm going to layer my ham on the sandwich. Just watch. Okay, put ham on the bread and mayonnaise. Okay, I'm just using 1 slice of cheese. That's the name of the cheese. Then I'm gonna take this and just put it like a sandwich. Okay, so how I'm gonna season my egg. I'm just only using 1 egg. But just watch, you'll see. With salt and black pepper. I'm gonna beat it up, and I put a little milk in it. Okay, add a little milk. Then just a sprinkle black pepper. Salt. Just mix it up. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to spread some butter on both sides. See how it looks. Okay, now I added some butter. Let's do my eggs. But I'm melt it first. You'll see. I'll melt the butter. Okay, you guys, so I melt the butter. Now I'm going to put my egg in it. See? What I'm going to do, then I'm going to kind of do it on both sides in the egg mixtures. I'll show you. See how I'm doing it? I did that first and I just flipped it. See? So I took it out, and I'm just gonna pour the rest in here. Made a little mess there, but that's okay. I'll put the rest in the bowl. So it's just like you're doing a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, now put it back in it. Okay. Okay, that's how I look. Now I'm turn back on the fire and just do it like you're gonna make a, grilled cheese sandwich. Okay. So I flipped it over, and then I might have to get this a little more browner. But this is my breakfast sandwich, you guys. Hope you like it. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. See how golden? Look on the side. Look how golden brown the edges look. But only way that you can tell when it's done, when it get golden brown. You see how it's smoking? Yeah. So it's time for me to flip it. Well, not really, but it got to be a little. I like it a little bit more brown because I saw that smoke. I thought I was, burning up my sandwich. Okay, so you guys get the picture, okay? That is my breakfast sandwich. Yep. Hope you guys make it. Even though, I come up with good breakfast ideas and stuff, and so you guys like this. If you want to make it my way, go right ahead. Okay? So this is the end. Yes. So that's more like it. See how brown it is. That's how you want it to look, like that. Okay? Yes. All right, bye-bye.